Stop scrolling. The UK economy is squeezing you. Energy bills are up, rent is extortionate, and your salary isn't moving. But while everyone else is panicking, a small group of people are quietly printing £5,000 a month using tools that are free, legal, and require zero coding. Welcome back to the channel. I've spent 15 years mastering the algorithm, and I'm telling you, the game has changed. We are in the middle of the AI arbitrage era. This isn't about asking ChatGPT to write a poem. This is about building systems that do the work of 10 people in 10 minutes. This isn't by accident. The universe or the algorithm brought you here because you know the old way of working, trading time for money, is broken. Today, I'm giving you 5 specific, actionable AI side hustles tailored for the UK market in 2025. No fluff, no coding, just profit. Now, before we dive deep, quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for education only. Always do your own due diligence and speak with a certified advisor before making financial decisions. Let's start with the biggest opportunity in the UK right now. The boring business automator. Forget crypto. Look at your local plumber, roofer, or dentist. They are brilliant at their trade, but terrible at admin. Every time they miss a phone call because they're up a ladder, they lose a job worth hundreds, maybe thousands of pounds. The solution: you set up an AI missed call text back service. The tool: go high level. How it works: you use a pre-built automation. When a customer calls the tradesman and they don't answer, the AI immediately texts the customer, "Sorry I missed you, I'm on a job, how can I help?" The AI then books the appointment for them. The payday: you charge a setup fee of £500 and a monthly retainer of £297. You only need 17 clients to hit £5,000 a month. And once it's set up, it runs itself. This is high-value, low-effort arbitrage. Hustle number 2. Faceless YouTube automation. You don't need to be on camera. In 2025, viewers care about information density, not your face. The UK finance niche has one of the highest CPMs in the world. Advertisers pay £12 to £40 for every 1,000 views because they want to sell mortgages and ISAs. The workflow: 1. Script: use Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Prompt it to write a 1,500-word script on UK housing market crash 2025 using a hook-hold handoff structure. 2. Voice: use 11 Labs. Their British accents are now indistinguishable from humans. Clone your own voice or use a premium stock voice. 3. Visuals: use InVideo AI. Paste the script and it pulls relevant stock footage, adds subtitles, and edits the video in minutes. Hustle 3 connects directly to the cost of living crisis. Digital products. People are desperate to organize their finances and their lives. They are buying digital planners, budget trackers, and CV templates on Etsy like crazy. The twist: don't design them, engineer them. The tool: Canva Pro plus ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to create a 50-point checklist for first-time buyers in the UK. Copy that text into Canva's magic design feature to generate a beautiful PDF checklist in seconds. Cost of living budget trackers for Excel or Google Sheets. Use AI to write the complex formulas. Sell it for £10 to £15 on Etsy or your own Shopify store. It's 100% profit margin. You create it once and sell it 1,000 times. There is no shipping, no inventory, and no headache. Hustle 4 is about globalization. Creators like Mr. Beast dub their videos to reach the world. UK businesses and course creators want to do the same but can't afford a studio. The service: you run a localization agency, you take English content, YouTube videos, corporate training, e-learning courses, and dub them into Spanish, German, or Hindi. The tool: Rask.ai or 11 Labs. These tools not only translate the voice, but can even sync the lips of the speaker to the new language. The payday: you charge per minute of video. A 10-minute course module could net you £200. The AI does the work in 5 minutes. The margin is insane. Finally, Hustle 5, the AI-powered newsletter. Email lists are the only asset you truly own. Elon Musk can't ban your email list. Pick a high-value UK niche, AI for UK lawyers, sustainable energy for British homeowners, or London property trends. The workflow. 1. Use Perplexity AI to scan the web for the top 5 news stories in that niche every day. 2. Use Claude to summarize them into a witty 5-minute read. 3. Publish on Beehive. Beehive has an ad network built in. Once you hit a few thousand subscribers, you get paid just to send emails. Plus, you can use affiliate links. If you write about software, you can earn recurring commissions. One final tip for my UK viewers. The government gives you a £1,000 trading allowance. This means the first £1,000 you earn from these side hustles is completely tax-free. You don't even need to declare it. It's a free pass to start. Look, the technology is here. The market is hungry. The only variable missing is you. Are you going to watch another video, or are you going to build something? If this video gave you a single profitable idea, do me a massive favor. Smash that like button and subscribe. It helps me cheat the algorithm and keep bringing you these blueprints, and I am massively thankful for that. Comment below with your biggest money mistake. We've all made them. And don't forget to subscribe for more fixes. I see you in another view.